If you're a woman of a certain age and you feel like you're doing everything you can to get fit, cutting calories, hitting the gym, squeezing in workouts, yet the results just don't show up, it's frustrating, isn't it? Trust me, you are not alone. So many women, especially those navigating midlife, start their fitness journeys with the best intentions, but unknowingly make mistakes that is simply holding them back. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 mistakes women make when starting their fitness journey. These are the traps I've seen so many women, including myself, fall into, and they're likely the same ones that have kept you from seeing progress. The good news, once you know what these mistakes are and how to fix them, you'll finally be able to create real, lasting results. Please know that this isn't just about looking good in the mirror. It's about feeling strong, healthy, and confident in your body. If you've been struggling with stubborn, belly fat, energy dips, or just feeling stuck, this video will give you the clarity and tools you need to make progress. Plus, if you stay until the end, I'll share the single most powerful mindset shift that transformed my own fitness journey, and it might just transform yours too. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is your place to prioritize you, mind, body, and spirit. Mistake number 1, setting unrealistic expectations. We all know the feeling, starting a new fitness plan with big, bold goals. I'm gonna lose 20 pounds in a month, or I'll work out every day for an hour. While that initial enthusiasm is great, these kinds of expectations can lead to more harm than good. This is a mistake because setting high, unattainable goals creates unnecessary pressure. When results don't come fast enough, frustration sets in, making it easy to quit. Midlife bodies respond differently to fitness than they did in our 20s. Hormonal changes slow down metabolism and recovery, meaning results take time. Unrealistic goals don't account for these changes and lead to disappointment. Unrealistic expectations often come from comparison, seeing someone else's before and after photos and assuming the same timeline applies to you. But everybody is different, and what worked for someone else might not work for you. This mindset can also lead to overexertion, causing injuries or burnout. Instead of building a sustainable habit, you end up sidelined and discouraged. So here's how to fix it. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, aim to complete 3 workouts a week for a month rather than focus on a big arbitrary number on the scale. Focus on non-scale victories, better energy, improved sleep, or how your clothes fit. These wins keep you motivated while your body adjusts. When I first started, I thought cutting calories drastically and exercising every day would help me see quick results. Instead, I got injured and burned out within weeks. When I shifted to focusing on consistency, like sticking to 3 workouts a week and eating balanced meals, I started seeing steady, sustainable progress that actually lasted. What's a realistic goal you're setting for yourself this month? Drop it in the comments. I love to cheer you on. Mistake number 2, overloading on cardio. Raise your hand if you've ever thought, the more I run, the more weight I'll lose. Cardio has long been seen as the go-to for fat loss, but relying solely on cardio can actually backfire, especially for women over 40. Here's why it's a mistake, y'all. Cardio burns calories, but it doesn't differentiate between fat and muscle. Losing muscle mass slows your metabolism, making it harder to maintain weight loss in the long run. Overdoing cardio can also increase cortisol levels, the stress hormone, which can lead to stubborn fat storage, especially around the belly. Cardio doesn't address key midlife fitness needs like strength, balance, and flexibility. Without these, you're more prone to injuries and less able to perform everyday tasks. A cardio-only routine can also feel monotonous, making it harder to stay consistent. Adding variety like strength training or yoga keeps things interesting and engages different muscle groups. Here's how to fix it. Incorporate strength training 2 to 3 times a week. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, which work multiple muscles and improve metabolism. Mix in flexibility and mobility exercises like yoga or Pilates to complement your workouts and protect your joints. I used to be a cardio fanatic, thinking the more I ran, the better I'd look. But when I hit my 40s, I noticed my body wasn't changing and I felt more exhausted than ever. And it wasn't until I started strength training and focusing on building muscle that I saw my body reshape. My metabolism improved and I felt stronger and more energized. What's your favorite way to stay active? Cardio, strength training, or a mix? Share in the comments. Mistake number 3, ignoring nutrition. Here's the hard truth. You can't outwork a poor diet. Nutrition is the foundation of fitness, yet it's often the most overlooked piece of the puzzle. It's a mistake because without proper nutrition, your body lacks the fuel it needs to recover and build muscle. This leads to fatigue, poor performance, and slower progress. Eating too little can also backfire. Your body goes into starvation mode, holding on to fat instead of burning it. Many women over 40 experience cravings due to hormonal changes. Ignoring these cravings or relying on quick fixes like sugary snacks can derail your progress. Skipping meals, especially breakfast, often leads to overeating later in the day. Balanced meals throughout the day help stabilize energy and metabolism. And here's how to fix it. Build balanced meals with lean protein, healthy fats, and whole carbs. For example, pair grilled salmon with quinoa and roasted veggies for a nutritious, satisfying dinner. Plan ahead. Prep meals and snacks in advance so you're never caught without healthy options. When I started prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods, everything changed. I had more energy, felt less bloated, and saw results faster. One of my go-to meals is a simple turkey and spinach salad with avocado. It's quick, it's easy, and it keeps me full for hours. What's one healthy meal or snack you love? Share your ideas. I'm always looking for inspiration, y'all. Mistake number 4, neglecting mindset work. Let's shift gears and talk about what's going on up here. Your mindset. Because the truth is, no matter how good your fitness plan is, if your mind isn't in the right place, your progress will be short-lived. This is a mistake because many women sabotage themselves with negative self-talk. Thoughts like, I'll never be fit, or I'm too old for this, create mental barriers that stop progress before it even starts. Focusing only on physical results like the number on the scale can take away from the emotional and mental benefits of fitness like feeling confident, strong, and empowered. Comparison is another mindset trap. Scrolling through social media and comparing yourself to someone else's progress can leave you feeling inadequate or defeated. A fixed mindset, believing that your abilities are set in stone, can prevent you from pushing past challenges or trying new things. Growth happens when you embrace the journey and allow yourself to make mistakes. Here's how to fix it, y'all. Practice gratitude. At the end of each workout, take a moment to thank your body for what it accomplished, no matter how small. Keep a journal. Track how you feel after workout and what motivates you. In any small wins, whether it's lifting heavier weights or feeling less stressed, surround yourself with positivity. Engage with uplifting communities, listen to encouraging podcasts, or read books that inspire growth. For years, I focused solely on the scale. If it didn't move, I felt like a failure, even when I was getting stronger and feeling better. The shift came when I started journaling my non-scale victories, like sleeping better and having more energy. It changed my perspective and made the process enjoyable. So tell me, what's one thing you're proud of about your body today? Share it in the comments. We're all in this together. Mistake number 5, going at it alone and attempting to do it without a support system. Here's a question. When was the last time you asked for help? For so many of us, admitting we need support feels like weakness, but in reality, it's one of the strongest things you can do. Not asking for help is a mistake because attempting this journey alone often means a lack of accountability. When no one's checking in, it's easy to skip workouts or fall back into old habits. Isolation can make fitness feel overwhelming. Without support, small setbacks can feel like failure. leading to discouragement and giving up. Community isn't just about accountability, it's also about inspiration. Seeing others succeed can motivate you to keep going even when progress feels slow. A coach or group can provide expertise and guidance, helping you avoid common mistakes and stay on track toward your goals. Here's how to fix it. Find an accountability partner. This could be a friend, family member, or even an online fitness buddy. Join a supportive group, whether it's a local fitness class, an online community, or a social media group. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people can make a huge difference. Consider hiring a coach. Having someone who understands your journey and can provide personalized guidance is an investment in your success. When I tried to figure everything out on my own, I felt lost and overwhelmed. But when I joined a fitness group, it was a game changer. Knowing I'd had people cheering me on and holding me accountable kept me consistent and motivated, even on the tough days. Do you have an accountability partner or group? If not, what's holding you back? Let me know in the comments. We might just inspire each other. To recap, the top 5 mistakes are setting unrealistic expectations, overloading on cardio, ignoring nutrition, neglecting your mindset work, and trying to go alone. Each of these can hold you back, but now you know how to avoid them. So I want you to remember that fitness isn't about perfection at all. It's about progress. Every small step you take adds up to something big. Celebrate those steps and give yourself grace along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us grow this community of empowered women who are prioritizing themselves, mind, body, and spirit. And as I always say, be kind to everyone, be kind to yourself, and always be unapologetically you.